Hi guys, today we are seeing offers for evil unicorn in Adopt Me. Not a good look so far. Oops, never mind. Ooh, okay, good start. A flamingo is really rare. It comes from Safari Egg. Oh my god, that's a really good trade, but I decided to pass. Good luck, Joey. But I love flamingos, my favorite animal. Now let's see more trades for this bad boy. What is that? I don't even know, but good luck and try to get better pets and trade me next time. Anyways, I am just running around. Okay, good start. A lavender dragon is really rare, comes from the Game Pass. No thanks. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Oof, another trade from her, but no thanks. I know what she's gonna offer. Another trade. Ooh, let's see. No thanks, but try again. Look, I thought I found a scammer here. But he was dressed as a baby. Lol. Oh my god, this is so hilarious, ha 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 ha. As always, anyways, bye guys, see you again soon.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are trading parrot. A neon fly ride cow and 2 ride lavender. Dragon I think I'll pass. Trading parrot. OUHM, no thanks, not the best offer I've gotten so far. Okay, a neon snow owl. A mega bunny, oh my god. Oh okay, Soccer Pro 110 traded me, so let's see what he got. OUHM, good offer, but I'd say no thanks. Trading a flyable rideable parrot for YouTube.
La 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 la.
Hem. Okay, let's see FrostGirl06. Of a nice user. Oops, never mind.
But I was over.
At this point I was bored, so yeah. Okay, FrostGirl06 is back. Oh wow, nice pets, but T. Anyways, bye guys.
Inventory reveal in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, I'm very nervous. My favorite otter. And my favorite mega dog.
Holy moly, the Rat King Ratatata. The Emu King, oh my god.
A zombie buffalo.
Legendary, legendary and legendaries.
Anyways, bye guys.